Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. What is the likelihood of an F-16 fighter jet colliding with another aircraft? Let's get started. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is one of the most iconic and widely used fighter jets in the world. With over 4,600 units produced since its introduction in the 1970s, it's a key player in many air forces globally. But with so many of these jets in the sky, what are the chances of a mid-air collision? First, let's talk about air traffic control. Modern air traffic control systems are incredibly advanced. They use radar, satellite tracking, and communication systems to monitor and manage the movements of aircraft, ensuring safe distances are maintained too. Collisions between military aircraft, like the F-16, and other planes are extremely rare. This is due to rigorous training, strict flight protocols, and advanced collision avoidance systems. For example, the AUTO-GCS, Automatic Ground Collision Avoidance System, has saved numerous pilots and aircraft from potential crashes. Pilots undergo extensive training to handle various in-flight scenarios, including avoiding collisions. They are trained to be highly aware of their surroundings and to communicate effectively with air traffic control and other pilots. In addition to human vigilance, technology plays a crucial role. The F-16 is equipped with advanced radar and collision avoidance systems that alert pilots to potential threats and suggest evasive actions. 3. While the idea of a mid-air collision might sound alarming, the reality is that such incidents are incredibly rare. Thanks to advanced technology, rigorous training, and strict protocols, the likelihood of an F-16 colliding with another aircraft is very low. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you next